Hey there, foodies. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the mouth-watering world of Mexican cuisine, and we're focusing on one of the most iconic and beloved dishes, the Mexican burrito. Get ready for a flavor explosion. So, what exactly is a burrito? Well, it's a culinary marvel, a tortilla filled with a delicious combination of ingredients that will leave you wanting more. Now, let's get started on making our own authentic Mexican burritos. The foundation of a great burrito is, of course, the tortilla. Traditional Mexican burritos use flour tortillas, but feel free to use corn tortillas if you prefer. Warm up the tortillas on a skillet for a few seconds on each side to make them more pliable. Next, it's time to choose our fillings. There are endless possibilities, but today we'll be going with a classic combination of seasoned meat, rice, beans, cheese, and some fresh toppings. Now that we have our fillings ready, let's assemble the burritos. Take a tortilla and add a generous amount of each ingredient in the center. Fold in the sides, then roll it up tightly, making sure to tuck in the fillings securely. Lastly, let's talk about salsa. A burrito isn't complete without a delicious salsa to accompany it. But did you know that there are regional variations of salsa in Mexico? From the fiery red salsa of Oaxaca to the tangy green salsa of Veracruz, each region has its own unique flavor profile. So, the next time you're enjoying a burrito, don't forget to explore the diverse world of salsas and enhance your culinary experience. Now, we're ready for the best part, taking a bite. But before we do, let's talk about some regional variations. In northern Mexico, you might find burritos filled with grilled beef or chicken, while in other regions, you'll discover unique fillings like chorizo, seafood, or even vegetarian options like grilled veggies and beans. Whether you like it spicy, mild, meaty, or veggie, the beauty of burritos is their versatility. You can truly make them your own by experimenting with different fillings and salsas. The explosion of flavors is simply incredible. The tender meat, the creamy beans, the fluffy rice, all wrapped in a warm tortilla, it's pure comfort food that will satisfy any craving. If you're not up for cooking, fear not. Burritos have gained popularity worldwide, and you can find amazing Mexican restaurants and food trucks that serve mouth-watering burritos. They're perfect for a quick and delicious meal on the go. So, whether you're enjoying a homemade burrito or indulging in one from your favorite eatery, remember to savor each bite and embrace the rich flavors of Mexican cuisine. That's it for today's video, foodies. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of Mexican burritos, give us a thumbs up and let us know your favorite burrito fillings in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more culinary adventures. Until next time, happy eating.